how to install Facebook pixels on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can add your very own Facebook pixels in Shopify. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now there are a couple of ways to do this, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the easiest and the most effective way to do this, right? First things first, what you got to do is you got to make sure that you are logged in into your Facebook account. So I'm just simply going to log in, and you also need to log in into your Facebook Meta Suite or business account, but it depends on you. And you also need to create a page as well. So as you can see, if you come over here onto your Facebook, click on apps over here and then go to pages. Here you will need to create a page. As you can see, currently I don't have a page right here. Otherwise it would give me the option over there. Now the page is important because the pixel that you are going to be uploading or creating is going to go ahead and link it to your Facebook pages, and those pages are going to be linked to your business accounts, and those business accounts are going to be linked to your Meta business suite, and they're from the merchant center. So it's quite a long process, but it's pretty simple. I'm just saying you should do that advanced just in case. Sometimes it doesn't matter. So what we'll do now is I'll show you. Come over here onto your Shopify store underneath applications, right? Click on apps and then click on all recommended apps, and then just simply click on Shopify app over here, and it'll open up the Shopify app store. Here, what we're going to do is we're going to search for the plugin called Facebook. So we're just simply going to search for Facebook over here, Facebook and Instagram. That's the one that we want. And here you will find it. And if we come over here, we can see the Meta application right here called Facebook and Instagram. So we're going to click on it. It's free to install. So click on it. It's going to take you over to the next tab, and here it'll give you the option to install the application. So simply click on install, give it a couple of seconds, and you should be good to go. And here, as you can see, I've installed it, and once it's installed, this is how it's going to look like. I'm going to pin it right here so that I can quickly access it on the left hand side. And here you can see this is how it looks like. So over here, you can see drive more sales with advantages in ad catalog, right? You can click on get started over here, give it a couple of seconds. And first things first, as you can see right here, is set up your ads on Facebook and Instagram. So you got to connect your Facebook account. Shopify users have personal Facebook accounts to access their business. So just simply click on connect account. This is why I told you to log into your account earlier. So we're just simply going to confirm and allow. Give it a couple of seconds to find our account. So as you can see right here, it's going to tell us to select a business portfolio. This is why I also told you that if you didn't have any Facebook Meta business account, you should go ahead and create this. It's pretty simple. So if you come over here onto Meta business suite, right, I'll just simply search for it. If you come over here, right, I already have the account. I'll just quickly show you how you can do it. So here, when you come over here, it's going to ask you to create an account. I've already have it. So let me just actually go ahead and log out, right? And here it's basically telling me to either log into my account or not. And here you can see right here, when you first come over here, it's gonna be something like this. Here you can go ahead and create your Meta Business Suite account. With it, you can go ahead and manage your inbox, post across Facebook and Instagram, create ads, track insights, trends, and see all the activity, right? It's pretty cool, helpful, and pretty cool. So just simply click on get started over here, and over here log in into your business tools, right? You can log in with your Facebook or log in with your Instagram, and if you don't have an account, you can click on create new, and you can go ahead and sign up with Facebook. And if you already have an account, click on already have an account and log in with either of these. And once you do that, it's going to tell you to create a business profile. So I'm going to log in with my Facebook account, and here you can see it's basically telling us to create a business page. I already did that. For some reason, I think it didn't accept it. So let me just go ahead and click on create a business page. And here we go. So, all right, we're back. So here we go. Underneath, you can see right here, it's going to tell you to create a business portfolio. We've already done that. If you don't know how to create it, click on create business portfolio. And then all you literally have to do is just add your business portfolio name, enter the first name, last name, surname, and there you go. You're basically done. Then it's going to look something like this. Then what you need to do is come over here underneath portfolio information, underneath users, underneath accounts. You're going to find pages, add accounts, and all of that. You need to go ahead and click on add pages. And if you already have them, you can go ahead and add an existing Facebook page right here, or create a Facebook page right here, right? If you have an existing one, click on add and select it right here, or add the URL. Since I don't have a page, I'll just simply click on create a Facebook page. And here, just add in the details. You can either create the page from here or just simply go to your Facebook account and create it from there, right? So simply click on the apps, click on pages, and just add the name. So I'll just add a name for my page right here, and then just hit the create page option after adding the categories of it. and give it a couple of seconds to create it. And then all you got to do is just fill out this form right here. You don't have to, you can skip it and click on next, but it's better to do it. Just add the website if you have it, add the phone number, the email address, location, working hours if you have any, and just simply click on next. And then you can add the profile picture and the cover, and then click on the next button. And if you want, you can add the add action button right here. It'll customize your action button right here, but it depends on you. It'll add this little tiny little button right next to your page if you want that. If not, just simply click on next. So I'm already gonna skip all of this and just simply click on done. And now we have a Facebook page. So there we go, we now have it. So now we have the page right here. What we'll do now, we'll come back over here onto the Meta Business Suite, click on cancel, click on add, and add an existing page. We'll just go ahead and copy the URL, paste the URL over here. It's going to go ahead and detect it right here. Just simply select it, click on next, review it. This is the people right here. Click on next, and now request approval. I agree, and click on claim page, and there we go. Now our page is connected to our Meta Business Suite as well. So now if we come back over here, right, I just did that. I just had to do that. It's not really important, but it's good to do this, right? So now come back over here onto Shopify. Over here we have business portfolio. Click on connect, and something went wrong. Let me actually go ahead and do this, reload this, because sometimes if you take too long, it just gives you an error. So I'm just simply gonna reload it and do it again. Click on the connect the Facebook account. There we go. Click on continue, select the business market. There we go. Now it's going to go ahead and ask you whether you want to choose the customer preference. This is basically, asking you to go ahead and share your customers' data. So if you click on conservative, it'll choose less data. If you go with enhanced, it'll select, more data. And if you go with maximum, it'll select all the data. So you can select whichever option you want, and then just simply click on save button. So once that's done, over here, you will see it tells you to connect a data set to track the customer behavior. So here you go ahead and create a pixel. So I'll click on create a pixel. All right. If you don't have it, it'll automatically create one and you'll be connected with it as well. Click on confirm, agree to the terms and conditions, and click on submit for review. And it's basically, that's it. All that's left for you to do is now just go ahead and run ads onto your Facebook and Instagram account, and then that's it. That's how you basically do it. That's how you create a pixel and how you can connect it with your Shopify account. So after that, it's going to finalize it, right? This might take a couple of minutes, but yeah, you're basically done. Then you can publish your products if you have on your store. All right. If you click on this button right here, click on create ads, it's going to take you over here onto another tab where we have the ads manager for your Facebook account. And here you can go ahead and create your ads and connect your pixels as well. Pretty cool. And it's really, really simple. So, and as you can see, it's done. It's connected. Everything looks good. Here is your settings option right here, your catalog, your pixel right here. It's all done. And if you want, if you click over here, click on the pixel, it's going to take you to the business Facebook.events. And here is your pixel right here, as you can see. So if you come over here underneath the ads manager, underneath events manager, you will find it right here. Underneath data sources, you have the pixel. If you want, you can create a new pixel over here or continue the pixel setup, right? Click on continue pixel setup. All right. And now all you got to do is just connect it with your websites or, whatever it is that you're doing. So if you click on Meta Pixel, right, click on connect, install the code manually or use a partner integration. And yeah, it's pretty simple. After that, all you got to do is connect to your website and there you go. So that's how you do it. That is how you install a Facebook pixel onto your Shopify store. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.